So we're getting set up to do some fleet washing, and they bring them in here. We get set up. We only wash the outside. It's a quick rinse off. We foam them, scrub them with a brush.
Hey guys, Jerry here with NXTGEN Graphics Mobile Detailing. Today we're going to talk about fleet vehicles. We don't do a whole lot of fleet vehicles, but we do some. We have some certain clients that like to use us monthly, weekly, and today we're going to talk about that. So let's check some stuff out.
So right now I'm just spraying on an APC just to get it clean. It's our pre-wash. Helps break up all the road grime on the bottom.
Alright, so let's talk about some fleet vehicles. What fleet vehicle washing is when a company has 3 or more vehicles and they need those cleaned on a regular scheduled basis. That's fleet vehicle washing. What we do with this company is we wash them once a week, every Tuesday morning. And what we do is we show up at 7. These guys show up around 7:15. And as they roll in, we wash their vehicles off, and it's really a quick rinse down, APC in the bottom half, wheel and tire cleaner, spray foam, and then I use a scrub brush, which is a super soft brush, and we scrub the vinyl and get these things looking, back to new as close as we can. Usually takes us around 20 minutes a van. They're really usually not that dirty where we stay on top of them weekly, but you can make some money at it. It's really good filler work. It's been good filler work for us. Aaron says we don't do enough B-roll in our footage, so let's roll some B-roll. So what we do is these guys show up and they know they just pull in behind the van we're working on. They usually leave the keys in it, and then they go in and they do their meetings or whatever they got to do to get their day started. And by the time they're done, we have all the vehicles cleaned, lined up and ready for them to take off and good and fresh. We also blacken the tires just to give a little bit crisper look. Usually with the fleet vehicles, you give them a discounted price because they are giving you vehicles on a regular basis, so it is guaranteed income, weather depicting. If it's raining, we try to move to another day, Wednesday or Thursday mornings, to make sure their vehicles stay looking sharp. So the problem we have found trying to do fleet vehicles with other companies is they give us 3 or 4 vehicles, but then they only want them done once every 4 months, 3 months. And to us, that's just not part of the actual fleet vehicle genre, if that's the way you want to put it. They need to be on a regular basis, because after 3 months, they're back to a full dirty vehicle again, and you're starting from scratch. Whereas you're giving a discounted price because we can maintain the cleanliness of the vehicles on the outside weekly, and they're so much easier to clean, so much faster. We get them in, we get them out, and they're ready to go back to work. Whereas if we let them go for 3 months or 4 months, they're harder to clean. Takes us a lot longer to clean the outside of them, and it holds up their progress for work. So they're really losing money both ways. So we try to tell these guys when we're doing the fleet washing, let's put it on a regular basis, monthly at least, at the most monthly. Every 2 weeks is good, but weekly is better, and we give a pretty good discount for that. I think we charge $25 a van for these weekly, and we also rotate each van every 4 weeks. So we'll do 4 vehicles on the outsides, and then we'll do 1 vehicle on the inside, which is just the cab area. So then after a month, all 4 vans have had the inside of their cab cleaned out also, which we charge $65 for the inside of those, because those are pretty nasty. They're covered in mud. Everything in there is covered in mud. We got to take a lot of tools out, a lot of paperwork out for them, and bag it up. So it is a lot more work, but it does make the vans look a lot better. We have some other companies that we do some fleet vehicle pricing for, but like I said, we try to hold them to a minimum of 3 vehicles, 3 to 4 vehicles. You got to be a minimum of a month on a month routine maintenance plan, and that's the only way we're really going to give you some discount pricing. Other than that, you're going to pay full price for a exterior wash. I mean, we're in this to make money. You're in this to make money. And these companies obviously make money, and they want their image to look good when these guys are out on the road. So keeping their maintenance, or keeping their vehicles maintenanced on a regular basis, just keeps their image looking good. And we've never had any trouble out of this company. We've got, like I said, we've got 2 or 3 companies we work with, but we don't do a lot. We appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, share, and let us know in the comments what you think. This is Jerry with NXTGEN Graphics. Thank you.